Hey friends, welcome to Vimal's Tech Talk. This is Vimal. So in this video, we are going to see how to connect our Vivo mobile, that is X300 Pro or any other Vivo mobile using Office Kit application. Mostly the top brands would have, like Samsung will have a Dex application, Apple would have iTunes application. As like this has become a very convenient way to transfer the file, even access your mobile in your personal computer, which makes life easy. We can access our mobile without touching the mobile by using phone mirroring, and as well as transfer the files from phone to personal computer and from personal computer to phone within a fraction of seconds. Let's see how it works. So this is my personal computer and you need to go to tcvivoglobal.com. So over there you can find the Windows version. If you are using a Windows PC, you can download it. Download the Windows version of it. If you are using a Mac OS, you can download it. And iPad, we can also access using iPad as well. I'm downloading the Windows version of it. Meanwhile, the download completes and make the view better for you guys. So the download is getting finished. Yeah, you can see the download is completed now. And I'm going to access this application and try to install it. I'm trying to install. So the installation is completed now and we are going to start the application. So this is how it looks. You need to get started from here. So how do we connect? Normally we can connect using this. You can connect with whatever account you have logged in and you can access that. I'll show you how to connect the mobile without logging into your account. So what I'll do is connect to device, connect device connectivity, sign into auto connect or manually connect. So when you see this prompt, you can directly go into your mobile and access scan code. Once you access the scan code, it will establish a connection between your computer and as well as the mobile. Let's see. Yes, connected successfully, and this is how it looks. You can access your images, audio files, documents, and whatever you have in the gallery, that will be displayed here. If you would like to download any of the picture from your mobile to computer, just click on save to computer. There will be a default folder that will be generated here in this Office Kit under downloads, and you can transfer the data. When downloads and the Vivo Office Kit, I can find this image here. Cool, right? And at the same time, if you want to transfer the files from your personal computer to your mobile, just import files and double click on the file and you have it here. This is the image that I have transferred from my computer to this particular to my phone. So when we talk about mirroring, how to operate your complete mobile using your computer is just simple. You can click on the phone mirroring application details here, so that once you unlock the phone, then you can use it as if like you can directly access. See, I'm getting the call now. Like this, when you can answer the call and you can directly try to. You will get desktop notifications as well, and you can access your albums. You can access your WhatsApp chats. You can access your Gmails and everything. You can make calls from here itself. So such kind of complete information. And if you want to access your camera, it is also possible. See, hi friends. Without unlocking my phone, I can use my phone as a camera and I can see everything here. If, for example, I can access the rear camera as well and all the options that are provided here. Isn't that cool? Yes. Access all the applications. You can just use your mobile directly on the desktop. Yeah, this is an excellent feature when it comes to Vivo Mobile, and Origin OS has this excellent feature. So this is what we get with this Vivo X300 Pro. So hope you like this video. For more such interesting and tech information, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.